Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from GardenEquipmentReview.com. Today we're looking at another handheld blower, the Oleo-Mac Pro leaf blower. Now the manufacturers claim it's a pro leaf blower at domestic prices. I'm not quite so sure about that. I'm not quite so sure how pro it is, but let's take a look. Yesterday we looked at the Stihl vacuum shredder here, which is one that I know is well proven, a little bit more expensive, but we'll come back to that and focus on the Oleo-Mac for a minute. So we'll just go through the features. So as I said, the company Oleo-Mac is a powerful commercial grade leaf blower. I never think of Oleo-Mac making really commercial stuff, so I do have my doubts about that, to be fair, and judging by the reviews, I think you may be able to get something better for your money. So let's just carry on down here. High specification, commercial engine for longer life, low vibrations, low weight, steel impeller with 4 blades for effective mulching. There's a free vacuum kit, 36 litre collection bag, and 3 years warranty. I believe the warranty is subject to the manufacturer's conditions, which probably means you have to have it serviced once a year. Even so, 3 years warranty is good. That's definitely worth thinking about. They obviously trust our machine a bit if it's got that much warranty. This blower is currently available for £299.95, including VAT, and there is a free vacuum kit available for it, as I mentioned. Just regarding vacuum kits, I've used machines with vacuum kits on. In fact, I own one with a vacuum kit. I think I only used it once or twice, and I just find it much too slow. It's far quicker just to blow and put your debris leaves into a heap and then clear away. The vacuums work, but they're just quite slow, not that efficient. Now, if you've actually got lots of garden vacuuming to do, I would go for something like this, a wheeled vacuum cleaner. We've got various types on our site. I have put a link to it. For example, these Billy Goats, been around for years. Large vacuum hose, and also can collect leaves, but just like a really powerful vacuum cleaner. That would be much more efficient than a machine like this. Although, they're small, they're compact, and they're not meant to be really powerful, but like I say, they work much better as a blower in my experience. So the engine is a 30.5cc developing 1.2 horsepower. It's got a good air jet, 234 kilometers per hour of air. It comes with a standard recoil start, and the manufacturer says it has 10 times working life than the cheaper domestic models. If that's true, that's great, because some of the domestic ones are fairly cheap. Mulching and vacuum we just sort of talked about. So to conclude, I'll put down here the Oleo-Mac doesn't have the best reviews from what I see. So if I would probably look to purchasing either the Stihl vacuum shredder or the handheld Petrol leaf blower. So this is what we looked at yesterday. This is virtually the same, but I've owned one of these, tried it, tested it, I've used lots of them, had hours of use out of them with no problems. That is £369. If you want the Stihl without the blower, it's £390. So almost the same as the Oleo-Mac. But in my looking at the reviews and for the money, I probably wouldn't go for this machine. I would definitely look at the Stihl or some of the other machines on our website. If you've got any comments, please feel free to comment. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube and embed it in this post. I'm here to help. Thanks very much for watching.